At a relatively new feature for GeoSync Go Plus, and that's the ability to uh, move features to new locations or update the geometry. In order for you to be able to have access to this functionality, the layer has to be set, or the source has to be set to allow geometry editing. So in this particular case, we have mapped this hydrant, and it's really on the other side of the road. So we just want to be able to move it across the road. So if I ID this feature, we have some new tools that are available, and you have to open this up from this identify dialog. Come to the drawing tools, and we have some functions in here. We can edit geometry, or we can delete feature. We can also do a measurement here, but I'm going to do an edit, and then from here we just move. We click on the feature, drag it, drop it, and then save. And that feature now has been moved. We have to refresh the screen, but it's now been moved across the road. Another way to do an update and move is using the GPS location. So as an example, we might have uploaded these hydrants that have been mapped very maybe inaccurately, and now we're going to go out and update with a good GPS position. So if we turned on our location services, then we'll see we have our GPS location showing up here. And what I'd like to do now is move this hydrant to this GPS location. So I identify this GPS hydrant. I go to my editing tools, and at this point I go to edit geometry, and then I have an option here to set marker to GPS position, and I'm going to click that. You see that it marks it here, and then I can save it. And now that point has now been moved to the current GPS location. So I've edited the geometry of these features, moved them to a new location.